Hey guys, Mr. Cheng here. So thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you the process I did to make my frame for my chain hoist. In this case, this particular frame is important because I need the front of the car open so that way I can take the subframe and the transmission out of the car from the front. Okay, so it doesn't require complex tools. What I need was my saw, my drill, some nails that I got from hoarding, and a hammer. So from here it's pretty basic, as you can see. So next here is I'm starting to gather all of my materials. So these are the two main beams that are going to be supporting all the weight, and these are the extras that I'll be using. And then what you'll see next is me measuring the height. This case I kind of did it wrong a little bit. I just kind of measured it based on what I need, but I could have went higher. Okay, so higher is not always bad. So here is me cutting all the materials that I need already for the base to hold it up, the vertical section at least. Then the shorter boards, or the 2x4s, I cut 45 angles because that's the angle that I'll need to hold up the post or the vertical post at this point. This is the base, so I traced the 4x4 on the bottom and then pre-drilled some holes. And this one is the support angle, the shorter pieces. I also pre-drilled holes and then put them back on together, match them up together, and put the nails through them. This part here is pretty basic. After that, you will need to put your angles on. Just to support the left and right. This is how it looks like. Then make sure you do your other one. In this case, again, these are just scraps, so it doesn't really matter how long they are. Once you got those two up, put your horizontal beam on. I put another one on top because I needed that one to kind of help with supporting the weight, so that way the main one does not flex. After that, you put your other brace on. This one again is scrap, so it doesn't really matter how long it is. It's just to support the frame from wobbling when you put weight on it. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple.